We explain why customer success management should use explainer videos to support clients. Use the right videos as part of your strategy and you will undoubtedly increase customer loyalty. Videos that are simple and engaging can be used very effectively to enhance customer success. Why? Because it is an easy-to-use medium that gives quick yet detailed information. For example, a video can show off new product features and explain them simultaneously. This makes it a faster and easier way to communicate what a new product or upgrade is all about. Another reason why video must be part of your success management strategy is because people prefer short explainer videos to detailed wordy explanations. The vast majority of people would rather learn about a product or service via an explainer video. In fact, when people search online to find solutions to problems, they tend to choose short video explanations as opposed to texts of information. This is because the audio-visual nature of explainer videos makes it quicker to take in, and easier to understand. Furthermore, the use of explainer videos may generate more leads for your business, because consumers are very likely to share videos that were useful to them. Customer success management creates loyal customers. With the use of videos, you can communicate to customers how your company will serve them well, and provide them with the necessary updates and guidance, and thereby increase customer retention.